Hi guys, got another one of those sets of Lego clone kits, 6 packs, and when you've put them all together you can make that a bigger one, and each pack appears to have 2 options for building them. So that'll keep me occupied while I'm sitting in the car waiting for Nanny. We'll try and do them in order. Number 1 is this one. Cost me 69p in biology. Did a video a little while back saying biology's fast becoming my new favourite bargain store. They got some cheap stuff in there. A Star Mary brand. I think I've done Star Mary before. Anyway, we'll shove all them to one side. And we'll have a look at this one. May have to adjust the camera. See how we get on. It's not many pieces, so it shouldn't take too long. See, so that's A, that is B, and then that is that thing. We'll see if we can do A and B, and then we'll put it back in the box, obviously, because until we've done 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, we haven't got all the bits to do C. Right, so part 1. That piece. 2 like that. One like that. Like that. Like that with falling apart. Just squeeze it in the wrong place. There we go. So that is number 1A. Come on, focus, thank you. Yeah, that worked. About 7 minutes that took. So what can we do with B instead? I think we can take some shortcuts actually. Right, that one moves to there. And that one is still going on the back there. These bits on there. And then this bit. And there. So that is B, or set 1B completed. Okay, well, we'll pop that back in the bag. And that is number 1 finished. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.